everyone, so the fans are going behind me. I apologize, it has been a long detail, but I want to show you my method for cleaning windows. I've done this before. Really what I'm trying to do is make this a very fast version. Interior windshields, new melamine sponge or magic eraser, Optimum No Rinse properly diluted. Watch this. See all these streaks here? All those fingerprints? Flip it. If you can wear a headlamp, it's extra good. Now, dedicated window towel. Optimum No Rinse. Look at that dirt. See that? That's what we're pulling off of this windshield. Clean side. Optimum No Rinse. Flip it. We're still pushing stuff inside the windshield. Final clean wipe. Looks pretty good, right?